Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the best laptops for AutoCAD in 2025. Whether you're an architect, engineer, or designer, having the right laptop is crucial for smooth 2D drafting, 3D modeling, and rendering. I've tested dozens of the latest models and narrowed it down to the top 5 that deliver the best performance, speed, and reliability for AutoCAD and other design software. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our weekly tech reviews. Let's dive in. Number 5. Dell Precision 7780. Coming in at number 5, we have the Dell Precision 7780, a professional-grade powerhouse. This laptop features a large 17.3-inch display, a 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, and an NVIDIA RTX 3500 GPU, making it perfect for handling complex CAD and 3D modeling tasks. Let's talk design. It has a robust metallic exterior and a soft-touch interior. The display gives you plenty of workspace, and the 180-degree hinge is great for collaboration. One thing to note, it's quite heavy at 3.05 kilograms or 6.73 pounds. That's more than twice the weight of some Ultrabooks we'll mention later. In our testing, the Precision 7780 scored impressively. Geekbench CPU tests came in at 1,968 for single-core and 9,450 for multi-core. Cinebench scores were equally impressive at 1,457 and 15,024 respectively. The downside? Battery life. The 93Wh battery only gives you about 3 hours of creative work, so consider this more of a desk-bound workstation than a portable solution. Starting at 3,118 pounds. 82, this isn't cheap, but for professional CAD work, it's a reliable investment. Storage upgrades range from an extra 512 gigabytes for 155 pounds and 22 pence up to 4 terabytes for 989 pounds and 82 pence. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. At number 4, we have the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio 2. What really sets this laptop apart is its excellent PixelSense touchscreen. If you use a stylus for your CAD work, you'll love the precision here, though keep in mind the stylus is sold separately. The display has a 120 Hz refresh rate, making everything super smooth, and the build quality is outstanding. What's unique about this device is its versatility. You can use it as a laptop, as a tablet, or in what Microsoft calls studio mode. The transitions between these modes take some getting used to, but they open up new workflows for CAD professionals. In our testing, Geekbench scored the CPU at 1,296 for single-core and 6,008 for multi-core. Cinebench results came in at 893 and 5,284 respectively. Microsoft claims 16 hours of battery life, but in our real-world testing, we lost 75% charge in just 5 hours of normal work, starting at $1,999 or 2,069 pounds. This device isn't cheap, especially when you consider that MacBook Pro 14 with M4 can be bought for less. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Number 3. Dell XPS 17, 2023. Our number 3 pick is the Dell XPS 17. The standout feature here is the gorgeous, large screen, even larger than the 16-inch display of our number 1 pick. That extra screen real estate can be a massive help when designing in AutoCAD, giving you more room to work and showcase your projects to clients. Despite its large screen, this laptop maintains an impressively thin and light profile, following the same attractive design language found in the smaller Dell XPS models. The 17-inch 4K Infinity Edge touch display with 3840 by 2400 resolution is a true pleasure to use. It features anti-reflective coating, 500 nits of brightness, 100% Adobe RGB, and 94% DCI-P3 color gamuts. Whether tackling graphically demanding tasks or basic productivity work, our tests showed everything running quickly and smoothly, with the laptop staying cool throughout. One minor drawback: the anti-reflective coating isn't quite enough to let you work comfortably outdoors in direct sunlight. Battery life is respectable at about 5 hours and 45 minutes in our testing, not bad considering the 4K screen and RTX 3060 graphics. Price-wise, the Dell XPS 17 ranges from $1,500 to $4,000 depending on configuration. It's an investment, but the performance justifies the cost for serious CAD users. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Number 2, Asus ZenBook Duo OLED 2024. Taking the second spot is the innovative Asus ZenBook Duo OLED 2024. This groundbreaking laptop features two 14-inch OLED touchscreens, creating an unparalleled workspace for CAD professionals. Both displays offer 2880 by 1800 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rates. The dual-screen setup allows for incredible workflow customization. You can use the screens stacked or side by side, perfect for having your CAD workspace on one screen and tools or reference materials on the other. The detachable keyboard adds even more flexibility. Powering all this is Intel's Core Ultra 9 185H processor paired with integrated Intel Arc graphics. While not as powerful as dedicated GPUs for the most demanding 3D rendering, it handles most CAD tasks efficiently. The 32 GB of RAM ensures smooth multitasking even with complex projects. In our Cinebench 2024 benchmarks, the ZenBook Duo OLED scored between the Apple M1 and M1 Max chips impressive performance, especially considering the dual-screen setup. Battery life is a pleasant surprise when using just one screen, lasting over 12 hours in our tests. However, using both screens simultaneously will significantly reduce this, so keep your charger handy for intensive dual-screen sessions. The Asus ZenBook Duo OLED 2024 starts at £1,699 and goes up to around £2,000. You're paying for the unique form factor rather than raw performance, but for the right CAD workflow, this dual-screen setup could be a game-changer. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. Number 1, Asus ProArt P16. And finally, our top pick for AutoCAD in 2025 is the Asus ProArt P16. The Asus ProArt P16 combines AMD's latest Ryzen AI processor with NVIDIA's RTX 4070 GPU in a sleek package designed specifically for creative professionals. The 16-inch 4K OLED touchscreen is absolutely stunning, offering 3840 by 2400 resolution and 100% coverage of the P3 color gamut. This ensures your CAD designs are displayed with exceptional clarity and color accuracy. A standout feature is the integrated Asus dial in the touchpad, which is a game-changer for CAD work. It allows for precise control and customizable functions that can dramatically speed up your workflow. Performance-wise, Asus has engineered 160W of total CPU and GPU cooling, allowing the Intel i9-13980HX processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics to perform at their peak. You can configure it with up to 32 GB of RAM and up to 8 TB of superfast PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage. Despite its powerful components, the ProArt P16 delivers impressive battery life, with over 10 hours of video playback in our tests. This makes it suitable for professionals who need to work on the go. At just under $3,000, it's competitively priced for a studio laptop that will serve demanding professionals for years. In many of our benchmark tests, it rivaled, and sometimes outperformed, the nearly $4,000 MacBook Pro with M3 Max. For updated price and more details, check out the links given in the description. And that's our list of the best laptops for AutoCAD in 2025. Whether you're a professional or a student, these laptops will help you work efficiently without lags or crashes. Which one is your top pick? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert tech recommendations. See you in the next video.